Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this lovely granny square. All we need to learn is a double crochet stitch. That's double crochet in US terms. In UK terms this would be treble crochet. So we're going to start by making a magic ring. I'll show you how I make mine. Take your yarn, place it between your fingers. Grab your yarn, twist it up to make a loop, pinch this loop. Now insert your hook from the front, grab your yarn, turn your hook down and twist through the loop. That's a magic ring. Now we're going to start by chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. Now our first round will consist of 4 groups of 3 double crochets. So this chain 3 will form our first double crochet. So we're going to make further 2 double crochets into the ring. To double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That's our double crochet there. Let's make another one. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is our first group of 3 double crochets. To make this little corner space here, we're just going to chain 2. So now we're going to chain 2 and make another group of 3 double crochets. So yarn over, into the ring, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And 2 more. And one last one. So that's our second side. Now our second corner, chain 2. Now 3 more double crochets into the ring. One, 2, and 3. And now onto our third corner, chain 2. You can pull on your tail of the magic ring just to tighten it up a little bit. So now we have one side, one corner, second side, second corner, third side. Now we've done chain 2 for our third corner, and now we need our last group of 3 double crochets. Two and 3. So now we're nearly at the end. All we need to do is chain 2 to form our last corner, and then we're going to slip stitch on top of our chain 3. So chain 2, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook into the third chain. There we go. Grab your yarn, pull through, and pull straight through again. So tighten your magic ring. Now you can see we've got our center of our granny square ready. Now for round 2 we're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and as you can see we're going to want to place another double crochet on top of our double crochet from our previous round. Because we need to expand it, we're going to add into each corner, we'll add 2 double crochets, then make the corner by chaining 2 and another 2 double crochet. So every corner will be 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and then the side will do a double crochet on top of the double crochet from the previous round. So we've chained 3. This is effectively our double crochet on top of our double crochet from previous round. Now we've got 2 more double crochets, so we need to place a double crochet on top of this one and another double crochet on top of this one. So yarn over, go under your stitch from the previous round, make a double crochet there, and now on top of our other one we need to place double crochet there too. So now we've got 3, we're into our corner, so our corner will be 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. So 1, 2, now chain 2 and 2 more double crochet into the same space. So that's our first corner. And again, we need to place a double crochet on top of the double crochets from previous round. Now the first one is a little bit tricky to see, so pull your corner crochets away out of your way and see you want to insert your hook into this space here. So next one is fairly obvious. As is the next one. And we're in the corner again, so 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets into the same space. Two, now chain 2, 2 more double crochets, and we're again onto our side here. So again, double crochet on top of each of these. The first one might be tricky to see again, so pull your stitches over, two and 3. And we're in the next corner, so again our group of 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Here we are again on the side. Pull your stitches over. And into our last corner. And now to end the round, we're going to slip stitch on top of our chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook, pull through and pull through again. So this is the end of our second round. And because we're increasing, we're putting 2 extra double crochets into each side of the corner, we're increasing each round by 4. So this, we had 3 double crochets in the first round. Second round we had the 3 double crochets plus we added 2 on each side, so added 4, so that's extra, so that's 7 in total. And in our next round again we're going to have these 7 existing ones, plus we're going to add 2 more on each side, so the next round will finish with 11 double crochet on each of our sides. So next round we'll start like the previous round. We're going to chain 3, which again will act as our first double crochet. So place double crochets on top of double crochets from previous rounds. And in the corners we'll be adding 2 more, chain 2, 2 more. Carry on like this and I will see you at the end of this round 3. So I've made my last corner of round 3. So I'm going to finish up my double crochets along the side. 1, 2, and now to finish off we're just going to want to slip stitch again. This didn't work. There. And to close the round we're going to again slip stitch on top of our chain 3 from the beginning of the round. And again, to get onto our next round, we're going to chain 3 and carry on. So this round we added another 4 stitches and ended up with 11 across. Next round we're going to get 4 more and we're going to end up with 15 double crochets. Finish your round and I'll see you at the end. So I've now completed my last corner of my round 4. So we're going to finish this square together. And last one. now again we're going to slip stitch into our third chain, pull through and pull through, and to fasten off we're going to pull through again, pull up a loop, cut our yarn and pull through. That's our square ready. Now you're going to want to grab your darning needle and tidy up your ends. Depending on which side of your square you prefer, you will tidy your ends up on the other side. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.